Welcome to the Multibase overview. Today I'm just literally going to give you a quick overview of the system. So I'm going to go straight to clients. Clients is where we keep information for all our clients within the system. Simply go to the search and search your clients. Once you're on the clients, you'll be presented with their name and address, any contact information about that client or contact phone calls that you've made in the past. The surveys are kept here. Simply add a new survey, click this button, and we're going to go into a survey that's already been done. So we're going to click straight onto the Matrix site. There's also quick searches here as well. Here in the Matrix site you can see the Matrix site information, the outlines, site description, which includes a description obviously of the site, the areas, comments on the areas and whether there was access, any drawings against this site, the objectives, techniques, caveats and notes. You also have your summary, recommendations and excluded areas, and then instructing parties to work on the system as well. So if we come back and go into techniques, all the techniques, caveats, notes and so on can be added automatically using the auto enter site section. So for example, this is a completely new survey and you've got no techniques against it. I'm just going to delete these ones out for a moment. So we've got none in there at all. I can say auto enter all, and it brings in all the notes from the setup screen. If these notes aren't correct for the particular site you're looking at, you can delete them as I did previously, or you can say edit this record, go in and add a new note, or change it to as you want, which will then just be specific to this particular site. Once you're in the site information, you can go to the samples, which are here. Here we have the sample screen. Here you can see we have the client's site, the locations and the project number, which has all been bought from the previous screen. All the information in the white boxes is relevant to this particular sample. These boxes can be added to at any point simply by clicking this button here, and you just edit and add to the list. You have your surveyor, have the drawing numbers, and we also have a find by sample. So you can see if we go into ground floor, for example, look at the ladies' toilet flue pipe, shows it to be asbestos. A rough cost of £700 to take it out, and it tells you all the relative information about it. Over here is our material assessment for that particular sample. So we can say it's on site type survey 2. It was taken on in 2003. Its product type is a pipe and boiler lagging. These drop downs are defined by the HSE as defined by HDMS 100 and thus can't be changed. They reflect in the wristband and material scoring down here. They also activate when the next inspection date will be based on the samples that's taken. Let's have a priority assessment, which is done exactly the same way, and again is HDMS 100 compliant. As you can see, the side parts bring in a wristband score here. All this information is collated and brought into the reporting system. The reporting system, as you can see, can be by sample history, by budget, by area, by floor, by product, by asbestos type, large photo, small photo. We also have a priority assessment reporting system for priority summary by area, by floor and by priority photo. All these get brought together into a single printing system. The system will automatically check if there's data. If there's no data, it will put as not printed. Anything else that you can change around as you want, so we can say we don't want the large photos, we don't want by floor, we don't want the summary or the notes, and so on. Once you've selected the items that you want, you can print to the default printer on the system. In this case our default printer is PDF Factory, which we recommend as a PDF creation system, which can be purchased from Fine Print Factory for approximately $30. As you can see that it's generating it here. Once the PDF is generated, within the PDF fine print factory, you can either send it, save it, or view it in a PDF. I'm just going to view it so you can just see what it would look like in a final PDF. As you can see, we'll just quickly scroll through this. And the PDF generates names, addresses, contact information, a table of contents. This PDF can be downloaded and printed from our website. It's on there, so if you wish to print it out or preview it, you can do. I'll just quickly scroll through just to give you an idea. And here we have our wristbands, print and part of the report, so high risk stuff. And we can just come down, if we come down to the next page, it will do medium wristbands, show the details of the medium wristbands. And we come down further, we have the low wristbands, and so on throughout the report. That concludes our quick overview of Multibase systems. There is a full demo download on our website, and the PDF can be downloaded from our website as well. Thank you for watching.